How to sell crypto on Kucoin and withdraw to Gcash or bank, etc. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, P2P Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Kucoin and then withdraw it. Now, first things first, you wanna go ahead and open up your Kucoin and log into your wallet, right? Now here, what you wanna do is at the home page, make sure you are on the home page. Now make sure to verify your account as well. Now I've not done so, but you will have to verify in order to continue with the process. However, I'll just be guiding you through here. So at the homepage, you'll find the option that says P2P, as you can see there. P2P, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you'll be on buy or sell tab. Now first things first, in order to add your payment method, you can tap on three dots option at the top right corner, and then here you can see the payment methods option. You can tap on it and you can go ahead and add in payment methods and such here. So once you do so, what you want to do is on this sell section, you can see various offers here. So here you can see the tokens that you can sell via P2P Market, like USDT. You can see here various. So what you want to do next is, so as you can see here, you can select USDT, BTC, ETH, KCS, USDC. So here on the left hand side, you can see the merchant here details, and on the right hand side, you can see the sell option. So you want to simply select one of these and then tap on sell here. Go ahead and tap on yes. Now first, as I told you before, you'll have to verify, but if you are verified, then it'll ask you to select the amount that you wish to sell and then simply tap on sell now. Once you do so, what you want to do next is that now wait for the confirmation or the transaction to be completed, and once it is completed, what you can do is you can head over to the transaction section and see your transactions if it has been completed or not. Now once you have done so, the next thing, once you have received the payment, then you want to go back to the order details page and then tap on release crypto. Now it'll show you a reminder that before releasing the crypto, confirm that you have received the payment and have checked if the amount and the payer's name match those on the order. If the payment information is inconsistent or arises disputes, please immediately contact the customer service and do not release the crypto. So once you have confirmed all of it, you can simply tap on I confirm that I have received the payment and then tap on confirm, and your crypto will be released. So this is how you can sell crypto on Kucoin and withdraw to Gcash or bank, etc. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.